Kids, are you struggling to tie your shoes? Are your parents refusing to help you? Do you find yourself giving up easily? Well, that can end today. Welcome to How to Tie a Shoe. Step 1. Make sure to have your laces untied. Remove any knots that may hinder the process. Step 2. Take one shoe, grab one lace in each hand and cross the laces over one another. Step 3. Grab one lace, tuck it under the other, and pull both ends of the laces tightly together. Step 4. Grab one lace and make a loop. It should look like a bunny ear. Step 5. Grab the second lace and wrap it around the loop. You should notice that one lace looks longer than the other and that there is a small opening. Step 6. Tuck and pull the longer lace through the small opening. You should now have 2 loops. Step 7. Pull the top of the loops tightly to ensure your laces are tied firmly. Step 8. Repeat steps 1 through 7 on your second shoe. Step 9. Congratulate yourself. You can now tie your own shoes.